drop fade. We're gonna start our bald line. Now the reason why people leave the hair underneath is just to give some more contrast, or when you're detailing it helps out a little more. Lever open. No guard. Second guideline. Second guideline is gonna be our 1. I'm gonna go open. I'm gonna try and leave the arches a little darker so I won't be really touching or fading much there. And remember, once again, we're fading into that weight already that we created. I did a number 4 up to the parietal.
Are you ready to take your barbering journey to the next level? Subscribe to my barber channel today and unlock a world of inspiration, education, and growth in the art of barbering.
We use our 1.5 open, same thing, fade into the weight, light pressure. You can see that it's already fading in real nice to the weight, which is what we want.
The video you are currently watching, that's thumbnail, has an amazing content with cool and new tips being taught in it. Be sure to check out this video through the link provided at the top of the page or the link pinned in the comments.
Now you can keep doing this and flicking a little more into that weight, or you can grab a 2. So I will be going in with that 2 open, just to kind of get rid of this line that we have here and blend it in completely into the shear work we did before. Once again, light pressure. Close it. Now we're going to go in with our half guard, lever open, getting that line made from the 1 open. And just kind of use your corners, light pressure. And then start lever playing, closing it a little bit. Remember, if you are in this step or any other step and you make a line above this one or the one you were trying to get out, then you just got to change guards and go up. But if you leave the line underneath, that means you got to get closer to the skin. Now remember I said if you make another line, this one's not so harsh, but it's still there. So I'm gonna grab my 1 open and hit that line and try to get it out.
know that it's because you're getting my best work or not. Yeah. Yeah, they've never been here. It is what it is. I'll fix it. Still don't put it on.
I'm gonna hit the bottom of the shaver. Last guide we're gonna get out are trimmers. You wanna start scooping before you get to the line. Light pressure, flicking out. Our goal with this is to match it up to the clipper length close. Now we're gonna go in no lever, or no guard lever closed. Just flick that line out.
How are you working on? Where are the target?